Hello everyone, I have a special treat today. It is a puzzle unboxing. Now the puzzle in here is a little worse for wear. It is missing a couple pieces, may not still function as a puzzle, but I'm still very excited about it. And the reason being is that this puzzle is one of the ones mentioned in Professor Hoffman's 1893 book, Puzzles Old and New. It's a wood-turned puzzle, which I think is fairly unique to that time and place of Victorian London, having these beautiful wood-turned puzzles. And let's just get into it. So I have my puzzle or my unboxing instruments, X-Acto knife and some scissors, and we will open this up. So first, the box, pretty well packed. It's from England. It's got the king there. I live in the United States, but actually didn't take too long to get here. The name of the puzzle is the Arabi Gun, and I think that's gets its name from the Arabi Rebellion that was in the 1880s, and the 1880s in Egypt, and England had a part in squashing that rebellion. I think they had a vested interest in that time in Egypt. They didn't, they wanted to make sure the rebellion wasn't successful. So it's shaped like a cannon, and so yeah, I think it has to do with the just in reference to the Arabi revolt or rebellion. All right, let's open it up. So I think it's pretty well packaged. The box is in good shape. I will slice it along here. Now I will leave any spoilers to the end. I'll just show the puzzle, and then at the end I'll get into trying to solve it. I know how to solve it, but just demonstrating that. So I'll make sure to let you know when that happens. All right. So get this part open. All right, all wrapped in newspaper. But this is a very exciting part. All right, this seems like it's the piece. Nicely bubble wrapped. All right. Now, when I saw this was on eBay. When I saw this, I thought, well, this is gonna, attract a lot of attention, a lot of bidders, but I was actually the only bidder for whatever reason. So I was doubly happy by that. Didn't have to get into a bidding war for it. All right, so I think this is empty. All right, now we have nicely wrapped. So this is about the size of it. All right, maybe I'll edit this out. Maybe I won't. I just kind of want to get the video up, so I'm not going to spend too much time trying to make it, too nice. Just see how this goes. This is my first video, so it's probably gonna be pretty rough. All right. Like I said before, the name is the Arabi Gun, or the Arabi Cannon. All right, it's very nicely wrapped, which is good. Survived the journey. All right. Guess we can just fast forward through all this if it doesn't interest you. All right. Getting there. All right. All right, that's everything. And here it is. Ooh, so nice. And it's got a little cannonball in there. So the goal of the puzzle is to get the cannonball out. But if you know, you can kind of press on it and it springs back, but it's too small to get through the hole, it seems. And yeah, it's shaped like a cannon. Anything else? So yeah, here's where I said it's missing some parts. It should have a couple pieces sticking out here, and those parts are gone. Very nice. All right, so now I'm going to explain. Yeah, see how if I can open it. So if you're not interested in that part, thanks for watching this far, and yeah, have a good day. All right, but if you are interested, let me see if I can figure it out. So, right, so these handles kind of screw off. So that's one of the things that you would have discovered with this puzzle. There's a hole here. I'm actually not sure what that hole is for. Let me see if anything turns. Okay, this can rotate freely. Well, kind of freely. There we go. All right. But the first thing to do is to get this piece off. So I'm going to try and unscrew it. I don't know if it's a right turn or a left turn. I don't want to, okay, there we go. Looks like it's just a regular left turn screw. And this is so cool. I mean, this thing about this might have been late 1800s, early 1900s. This was all done, you know, on by very skilled workers to create this. Like, look at that threading. Actually, can you see the threading? Probably not. Let me see. Yeah. There we go. And like the threading in here. Very cool. All right, but still can't get the cannonball out. Cannonball's still right here. Kind of springs back. All right, and so the next thing to notice is this piece also unscrews. Let's see if it's left or right turn. Okay, that doesn't seem to do anything. Let's go right. That seems pretty stuck on. Let me see. Try not. I wonder where the. Okay, let's see. Oof. Well, whatever it is, seems pretty stuck on there. Let's try lefty loosey, I guess, like the other. Well, that's not budging, so maybe that's why I mentioned this may not function. I don't know. Well, I'll have to work on that. Maybe I'll have to edit. Once I figure this out, I'll have to add that in. And then for this part, let me see. You can turn this. There should be a hole. Oh, there we go. So I was able to turn this, and there's 2 holes that line up, and then the peg you would stick in there. I could probably use something else to put in there, and that will hold it in place so I can actually unscrew it. So that's cool. I'm actually not sure what this hole is for. I don't know. So this part needs to unscrew, and it gives you something that you can put in here to hold those 2 pieces in place and then unscrew it. Unfortunately, I can't. This seems to be pretty stuck together. You know, who knows how long this has been. I want to be careful not to. If it's like some of these threads, you know, are where you open it, you actually do it the opposite way. So I want to be careful not to try too hard one way or the other. Let's try it one more time. Oof, that is stuck. Let's try it the other way. Yeah, not getting anything out of this. Well, let me see if I can find something to put into there to kind of hold it in place. Let's see if I can unscrew it. Oops. There we go. Yeah, something goes in here. All right, I'm gonna pause and come back, okay? Okay, so I'm back. I said I wasn't gonna try to do editing on this video, but looks like I might have to do a little bit of editing and splicing together. So the thing is, you're supposed to rotate this thing and line up the hole that you see in there. And then you're supposed to use this to put that in. But because I can't get that apart, I have a chopstick. So I'm already cheating, but this fits actually pretty nicely. And then when I try turning this, okay, it's actually turning apart. All right. Very cool, very cool. And there we go. So that's cool. And you can see there's a spring in here. Uh-oh, wait, is that right? Oh, I don't think I was supposed to. Does the spring come out? I don't think the spring's supposed to come out like that. Or maybe it does. Because this rotates. Okay, I guess it is the spring that's just, because this doesn't come out. Interesting. Does that just screw back in? Ooh. There you go. There's the ball. So cool. And there's a little, so it's got the spring and then the ball that sits right there. Yeah, I'm not sure I guess the ball's made out of wood. I think this is boxwood. And you got the metal spring and the ball. Cool. So now I just need to figure out how to open that thing. Let's see if I can put it back together. So we put the ball in. All right, ball's in. Put this in. And then I line up the holes. There we go. Stick this in. And then screw it on, apparently. Okay, yeah. That screws in pretty nicely. Okay. And then when you move this, the whole thing moves. It just kind of spins and you can't unscrew it without putting that together. And I'll put this piece back on. So if I get this piece apart, maybe I can show you, but I'm not going to try to force it for now. I'm just going to screw that back on. There we have it. Just a very beautiful old puzzle. You know, I don't think they really would, you know, like make them like this anymore. You know, maybe some of the, you know, artisans that there are, in fact, I think John Berkeley is a person who in the, you know, modern times have been able to reproduce these wood turn puzzles. But it's just really cool to see an original version. And that's all we have. I hope you enjoyed. And thanks. Bye.